Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Zero X Pro, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, we will open up our settings, and here you want to look for storage right over here, and then select portable. This will be your SD card. Now, I want to clarify, I'm not going to be formatting my card as it does contain 58 gigabytes of videos that I still need to manage and keep. But generally, you'd click right here on these three dots, and here you find format option. When you click on it, it will tell you that formatting will basically remove all the data from the card. So if you keep anything that you would like to, well, obviously not get rid of, make a backup copy of it to maybe something like a computer. But in any case, once you're ready, you can click on Erase and Format. This would go through a very quick and fully automatic process of formatting the card. And when that process is finished, your card will be automatically ready to be used once again with all the data being removed from it. So with that being said, hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.